to fix Apple Pencil not working. So let's get started. Firstly, check your Apple Pencil is compatible or not. Apple Pencil first generation is compatible with iPad models with a lightning connector, for example iPad 3rd generation, iPad mini, iPad 6 9th generation, whereas Apple Pencil 2nd generation is compatible with iPad models with a flat edge and supports for Apple Pencil magnetically attaching, example iPad Pro 11-inch, iPad Pro 12.9-inch, 3rd generation or later. Then, if this also does not work, then check the battery label. Apple Pencil 1st generation, plug it into your iPad's lightning port for a few minutes to charge. Then for the 2nd generation, attach it magnetically to the side of your iPad to charge. Then swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center and look for the battery widget. If the pencil's battery is low, then charge it. Now, all you have to do is ensure iPad OS is updated. Go to the settings, general and software update and ensure your iPad is running the latest version of iPad OS. Updates often includes bug fixes that can resolve issues with the Apple Pencils as well. If none of these steps work, there might be hardware issues with the Apple Pencil or iPad. Contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.